Hi everyone, my name is Lucifer and I'm excited to share my experience with some incredible courses I have taken like Principle of Management, Work Skill and Human Resource Management. These courses have truly shifted the way I think and learn. Our teachers are absolutely fantastic. They have this amazing ability to make learning so much fun and relatable. Whether it's through real-world examples, interactive activities, or even sharing their own professional experience, they ensure that every class is meaningful and exciting. The benefits of this course are incredible. Principle of Management taught me how to lead and make decisions effectively. Work skill helped me more confidence and job ready. And Human Resource Management showed me how to connect with the people, build strong teams, and manage workplace challenges. These are skills I know I will use for the rest of my life. If you are looking to build your future and develop skills that truly matter, I highly recommend joining this course. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or someone exploring new opportunities, this is your chance to grow. So don't wait, just click the link below to apply and start your journey. Thank you.